What up, YouTube and all my Ryker riders out there? Got another one in to see the Ryker doctor. Gonna fix that coolant tank. Stay tuned. Alright, so we have a leak where it's splitting over here, dripping down on the hose. So what we're gonna do is replace all this. One bolt holding it down. Clamp here, 2 on this side. So remember, you're gonna need some hose clamps. Alright. Take this bolt off. It's 10 millimeter underneath. So if you try to unscrew the bolt, it won't come off. You're gonna have to hold underneath. And you're gonna have 2 hoses connected under here. You're gonna have to pry those clips off. They're not reusable. Got it out. First hose, we're draining it out. I used a water bottle to put over here and tipped all the fluid out so you don't have to drop it all on the floor. Remember, these clips, they're not reusable, so you almost gotta like break them and then they widen them up and then they slide off. Here's your replacement coolant reservoir, and like I said, you're gonna need some hose clamps to replace that. So I have it tilted up so I could just do a quick swap and I won't be losing too much coolant. See that right there? Still holding the coolant. Barely lost a couple of ounces. Alright, so it's all hooked up under there. We're gonna put this last one in, replace the cap. I have to blur that out. Running, still at the half temperature light, so far so good. Gonna give it another 10 minutes to get it hot. Another one in to see the Ryker. Another one in to see the Ryker doctor. Another one out. Happy customer. Return customer. Coolant reservoir fixed. Done. No more overheating. Shout out to all of my people out there who's recommended people to come see the Ryker doctor. Remember, everybody ride safe.